In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a photography portfolio website on Squarespace. First, open Squarespace and start a new website. You'll be guided into the site builder right away, which is perfect for visual projects like photography. This sets the foundation so you can quickly see how your images will look on a real site as you build. Next, choose a template that fits a visual portfolio style. Look for layouts that emphasize full-width imagery, clean grids, and minimal text. Preview a few to see how galleries transition, how captions appear, and how navigation feels. Remember, you're not locking yourself in forever. A good starting template simply saves time and helps your photos shine from the beginning. Now add the essential pages, a gallery, an about section, and contact details. Your gallery page, Goeishi, is where your best work lives. The about page should be short and personable. Share your style, your approach, and the types of projects you love. For contact, give visitors a clear way to reach you with a simple form and concise instructions on what information you'd like them to include. Keep the menu simple so people can find these pages instantly. Upload your best photography into galleries or portfolio sections. Curate ruthlessly, quality over quantity. Aim for consistent editing and a cohesive visual story. Upload high-resolution images that are optimized for the web so they look crisp without slowing your site. Use captions only if they add context. Otherwise, let the images speak. If it helps viewers navigate, organize your images into collections or categories. Think portraits, landscapes, events, or commercial work. Use clear, client-friendly names and keep categories balanced, so one section doesn't feel overcrowded compared to the others. Adjust the design so the photos stand out clearly. Choose a clean background, refine spacing and margins, and test different layouts like grid, masonry, or slideshow to see which best suits your work. Keep typography simple and legible, and limit colors so they don't compete with your images. If your template offers a lightbox or full screen view, enable it to let viewers focus on each photo without distractions. When everything looks right, preview your site and publish. Use Squarespace's preview tools to check desktop, tablet, and mobile views, and click through your navigation to ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're happy with the flow and the visual balance, go ahead and publish your photography portfolio so it's ready to share with the world.